Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special, a heavily modified 2025 Subaru Forester Extreme Edition that takes performance SUVs to a whole new level. If you think the Forester is just a practical family SUV, think again. This beast is designed for those who crave power, luxury, and aggressive styling all in one package. Let's dive right into it. Just look at this stance. The first thing that grabs your attention is the wide body kit that completely transforms the Forester's appearance. The extended fenders give it a bold, muscular look, and those massive black multi-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires add to its aggressive nature. The lowered suspension ensures it sits closer to the ground, improving handling and aerodynamics. Moving to the rear, the most striking element has to be the quad exhaust system. These aren't just for show, they produce a deep, throaty roar that lets you know this Forester means business. Paired with a custom rear diffuser, the design enhances aerodynamics while giving the SUV a race-ready look. And let's not forget that sporty roof spoiler, adding just the right amount of aggression to the overall aesthetic. The taillights have been completely redesigned with a sleek, modern LED setup, seamlessly blending with the all-black bodywork. Small details like red accents on the bumper and side skirts give it a performance-oriented vibe. It's clear that every inch of this Forester has been customized to make it stand out. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. While Subaru hasn't officially revealed the full specs of this Extreme Edition, we can expect some serious upgrades. The stock Forester typically comes with a 2.5L boxer engine, but this one likely features a tuned turbocharged setup, pushing out well over 300 horsepower. That power, combined with Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, ensures that this SUV isn't just for show, it delivers real performance on the road. The upgraded Sport exhaust system not only enhances performance but also gives it an aggressive sound that turns heads. Whether you're cruising through the city or tearing up backroads, this Forester delivers a thrilling driving experience. Now, stepping inside, the modifications continue. The doors open to reveal a luxurious yet sporty cabin that's nothing like the standard Forester. Premium black leather seats with red stitching, carbon fiber trim, and a high-tech digital instrument cluster set the tone for a high-performance driving experience. The flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara, adds to the sporty feel, giving you a firm grip while cornering. A large infotainment touchscreen, packed with the latest Subaru Starlink system, keeps you connected while offering performance telemetry, navigation, and entertainment options. Passengers aren't left out either. Rear seats are just as premium, with extra legroom, ambient lighting, and dedicated climate controls for added comfort.